Hello guys, welcome back in today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about hobbies, and this video will help you really a lot about how to talk about hobbies. Cause when we try to talk with someone, introduction, hobbies contains a big part. All right, and it helps you to know the person and to make your connection better. It helps you to know whether your interests are getting matched or not. All right. So now we are going to talk with my friend. What is your name, brother?
I am Sunil.
Sunil. Please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, hello everyone. My name is Sunil Kumar and I am from Rajpur. Thank you so much.
And tell us something about your hobbies.
You can say hobbies. I like to fit. Personally, I feel that firstly I have to my health. You can say that my hobbies. My hobbies to fit my bodies firstly, or you can say my physical physics. To getting me fit, I like to do gym or something, or someday running also I can do 1 to 2 kilometer also, and every day I can do I do gym also to get my physics also.
Okay. Do you like to run on treadmill or on like road or around nature? Like what do you like most?
I doesn't like to run over the treadmill because I want to enjoy the nature while running. So I run over in the nature, or you can say on the ground also.
Okay, so you like nature beauty at that
Yeah, of
time.
course.
Not that on treadmill. How it feels like? How it feels like when you run on treadmill? Like what's the difference?
The difference is that while we run over run over the treadmill, we don't feel like we are running, or we can say that we can't feel everything nature and birds also around us. So I would like to run over the roads and the grounds.
You would like to run over the roads and grounds. Okay, apart from fitness, you don't have any hobbies?
Presently, apart from that, to do gym and running, I don't have any hobbies. But in my childhood days, I like to play mostly cricket also.
Okay, you like to play cricket as well.
Yeah.
What's the best thing about playing cricket? What do you like most about cricket? Do you like to do batting or fielding? What do you like?
I like to do in the cricket both of the things, playing and fielding also, because in the playing you have to make the strategy how to play and how to make the runs on the pitches or on the grounds, and after that we talk about the fieldings also. In the fielding you have to physic yourself in that fielding, because you have to run here and there to catch the ball in the ground.
Okay, so both are good.
Both are good.
So when you catch the ball, it requires a lot of energy to run here and there. Is that right?
It is right, because we need to throw the ball to the bowlers, to the bowler and the wicket keeper to get the wicket also. So we have to throw the ball.
Do you think, as you are saying, you also like to do exercise and such things? I also like, and this person who is shooting our video, he also likes. So do you think people has become more health conscious about their health than before, or before people were really health conscious about health, or nowadays people are more conscious about health? What do you think?
We want to say about these things, in present days people are most aware about their health, because they want to get fit in their lives, because they can do an extra things to get to become good health. or to get good health, they can do extra things, or we can say they don't get tired to do a more extra work.
So what do you say? Like before, people were really health conscious, or nowadays people are
Nowadays, people are really, you can say
they are becoming more.
they are becoming more health conscious.
What according to you, what is the reason why people are becoming health conscious?
In present days, people want to earn much more money. From we can say that people want to get luxury life for himself and their children also. So they want to work. So they want to work extra work to get the extra money. So they are very aware to get their health.
But I don't think so. Your point seems like contradictory. At one point you are saying they are too busy to earn their money. If they will be too busy to earn a lot of money, if they have to earn a lot of money, they need to spend a lot of time.
But
so how they will spend time on health?
But if you want to concentrate on some particular field, firstly you have to concentrate on that topic, and you can concentrate your mind power, like you can do yoga, you can do extra things, like you can say running also, yoga, and many more things.
I would like to answer the same question. Please ask me like that same question about health conscious. People were health conscious before or nowadays? Ask.
What do you think about the people? People are health conscious in present days, or in before past days?
In my opinion, it depends. At that time, if you talk about that time, at that time people were not having internet as well, so they don't know about a lot of, like, people can read about articles related to health. They can make themselves updated. They can know while I'm doing workout, what type of things needed, like protein, vitamin, such things. Nowadays, due to this thing, people are becoming good, like those who are taking care of their health. But if I talk about previous people, they were not even having that much knowledge about, I can say, these things. But they were also good. They were doing a lot of physical work. But nowadays people, as you said, they want to earn a lot of money. They have become the slave of the money. So few people know this thing. We can use money in a right way when we are having good health. We can enjoy the money. So some few people, and I think so you are also one of them, and I am also, we know what we will do with money if we are not having good health. Who will use that money? Somebody will use. So do you know about, I think so people are becoming nowadays, I can say majority of people are becoming not health conscious. They are becoming, you can say, obese. They are getting fatty. They are not taking care of their health. They are eating all the time junk food outside, fast food. They are going outside and they can have whatever they want. They don't give a damn about whatever I'm eating, what type of nutrients in it. They just become the slave of their tongue. They are having money, and they will give money to that one person, and whatever they will serve, they will not think about twice about food quality, about oil, anything like that. They just want to have taste, and that's it. And that's why people are suffering a lot. They are having bulging belly, they are having diabetes, they are having you can say heart stroke, so many diseases. You can say cholesterol, high cholesterol level, like these type of problem doesn't exist in previous time, because those people were really laborious. They were doing work in field, they were doing physical task. But nowadays you can say machinery has taken the place of human. So few people understand this thing. Nowadays we are not having that much chance to work, but we can do this thing in this way. I'm saying, like, some people are only taking this thing. If we are doing nowadays work on phone, smartphones, computer, so it doesn't require any physical strength. Okay, but some people are taking this thing into account, so they are going to gym. They are doing some of them are doing desi mehnat as well, like normal at home, workout at home. So these things, people are becoming more health, like some are becoming aware, but majority, I'm saying, they are not health aware. They are eating whatever they like, they are not exercising. I would like to talk about even picture as well. People are having that much of bulging belly nowadays. like they are showing a contrast. Like there was a rich person, he was having that much bulging belly.
Yes,
And there
of course.
there is another person, like beggar, he was having like something he was lifting, like there. So they are comparing like both things. So that's the harsh reality of world. You can, some people are having that much to eat, excess amount of, that is making them obese, like they making their life hell. But they enjoy, they say like we are healthy, we are having big belly, we are healthy, but they don't know the reality.
But who is taking care of your health, taking care of our health or ourselves? Then they avoid to do these things. They avoid to do like to eat junk food.
They cannot do that thing, like it's really hard, because they want only taste, like fast taste, go outside and just have like something to eat, like good thing, like pani puri, like golgappe, whatever. They just want to have like taste only, and that's why
But they want to have only taste for
they don't
taste.
they are not thinking about nutrients. If they are thinking about nutrients, like the person who thinks about nutrients, he will go with salad, he will go with fruits, such things.
Yes, of course.
And one more thing I would like to let you know, the quality of fruits and salads we are using now, it's not good as well.
not good as well.
Previous one was well, because at that time there were no pesticides, no fertilizers, everything was natural. But now what these you can say people are doing in order to get a lot of crop, like farmers are also doing this thing, they are putting pesticides, they are putting these things, so which is really harmful for our health. So you can say even you are consuming these salad, or it is not also good, but it's better than these like outside food, at least it is better.
Okay, I want to ask something. You want to you can see in the society also, like gym lover people. You can say they know very well about the side effect and effect of the which he takes. Like we can say proteins and gainers and steroid also. Then why they take all that like of materials?
Brother, nowadays life has become so hectic.